Hi, Thibault from the Seanapps team. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can access to your sensors and what you can monitor remotely in live, so in real time, thanks to the Seanapps mobile app. So I'm going to go on my app, and the first thing I can see is the position of my boat. So good, it's still at the marina where I left it. I can see around it the blue ring, which is the geofencing. I can see also on the upper right a green light, so it means that I don't have any issues on my sensors. So how do I access my sensors? Well, on the down right corner, I can see more. When I click on more, I have the list of different features and I see sensors. So I'm going to click on sensors. So there is two types of sensors. There is the sensors from the system, which is the battery banks, so the engine batteries and the board batteries, as well as the bilge sensor. So the bilge sensor is basically a float switch that is installed at the bottom of the hull, which is telling you when there is a high level of water in the bilge. So let's see my board voltage. When I click on this, I can have on the graph the state of my batteries for the last 12 hours, 24 and 7 days. So I'm happy because I plugged my batteries to the shore power when I left my boat at the marina, and I can see that regarding the graph, it means that my boat is still plugged to the shore power. So I'm fine. I know that my boat and my battery won't be dead when I come in the next weekend. On the bilge activities, well, it is off. So it means that there is no water in the bilge to trigger the float switch, which is also a pretty good news. But so yeah, I can check in the last 12 hours, the float switch was activated during 0 seconds. So yes, my bilge pump is functioning, or at least I don't have any water in my boat. So this is always a good news. And then you have the second part of the sensors, which are the instruments. This sensor, I can get it from the NMEA network. My Seanapps is plugged to the NMEA backbone of my vessel, which allows me to have information about the wind speed, also the depth. But I also get, thanks to Seanapps, the information from my engine. So I can see the engine speed, my fuel level, and I want to see my engine hours. Yes, okay, I have 334 engine hours on my boat. So yeah, I have all the information that I want to know on my Seanapps.